Hello, hello, hello. It has been a while, but I am back. Thank you for tuning in. First off, I'd like to say Happy Mother's Day to all you lovely ladies out there. Let me show you how you can get in some great nutrients with some squash and this delicious burrito filled with pinto beans and rice and all those good things. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, and I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, and I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna, I wanna turn around, dance. I just wanna, I wanna around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna now and turn around now. I just wanna, I wanna turn around, dance. I just wanna, I just wanna clap, turn around, and I just wanna clap, turn around, dance. I just wanna clap, turn around, and I just wanna clap, turn around, Mini skirt on, take my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on, take my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Let those cook down so they're tender and put some salt and pepper on them. Absolutely delicious.
On. Foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with y'all.
Okay, so this is the end product. I forgot to record before my family ate half of it. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how I make that delicious burrito you saw at the beginning of the video.
Heart overhead, and I guess love to watch the way you made me into a mess. Hands on my dress, neon red. You were everything I didn't need until you left. Now I'm dancing around my living room. I get drunk on the thought of you and I, when you were mine. See your eyes.
So I'm all done cooking my burrito. You saw everything that I put into it. I pan seared it on both sides, like that.
And now I can enjoy my meal.